Hey friend, today I'm doing a Dollar Tree haul. Alright, some office supply stuff. I didn't really need like a full legit binder, but I needed something to store some papers for my daughter for a school thing. And I thought these little peaches were just so cute. I thought the colors on it were really nice and that it was just really darling. So the binding is pink and it's just such a cute print, so I had to get it. I picked up some pretty colored markers. These are from the Dollar Plus section, so it's $5, but they're all Sharpie brand and there's 6 of them. Pretty colors. I thought that would be a fun gift for somebody, but very fun spring colors. In the kind of party section, I picked up some more ribbon. I love the metallic colors. They just make them feel a little more fancier and fun, and it comes with 5 different colors, which is really cool. Again, kind of springy, Eastery colors. And instead of just like your basic gold, the top one is like a rose gold kind of color, if you can tell. So, and then I got some tissue paper too. I have like Christmas specific ones and then a few white ones, but I wanted some more that were like a solid color. Again, really fun colors that kind of tie in well with the ribbon. So you get 24 sheets and they're just really fun, bright, springy colors. I've recently gotten into Dollar Tree's like crafting holiday seasonal section, like for Christmas. So I had to pick up what they had offered for Easter. They're little like felt crafts where the pieces are already cut out. So for my littles, they don't have to deal with that. They can just put the little felt pieces together and I can help them glue it. And they're just fun little mini projects that you can use. You know, they're for lots of different things. You can attach them to something else, add them to a wreath, or use as decoration. So I really liked the bunny design of these. And then these were more just decor, not necessarily for DIYing, but they're like the little gnomes, which are just so cute. For every season they seem to have them, but these are for Easter, so they've got a little bunny ear hat on and then a carrot top hat. Of course you can DIY them and add them to like a garland or something. I'm not sure what I'll do, but I just thought they were really cute. And then along with that Easter felt stuff, I found these cute little carrots. They have like a sticky sticker on the back. Stick them onto a card or something that you're decorating. But I loved the detail in the like texture of the carrot, and then the leafy tops of the carrot are cute. Definitely a great value for crafting at the Dollar Tree. So I'm trying out the eyelash glue that they have at the Dollar Tree. This stuff so far has worked really well, and it's $1.25, and the packaging is cute and it doesn't look cheap, so I like that. And then I also picked up this false eyelash extension applicator, so it just helps get those fake eyelashes on better. I haven't tried it yet, but it's like, you know, looks like a quality product and I am excited to try it. So let me know if you've tried one of these before. I still struggle getting those false eyelashes on, and so I thought this might help that process a little bit. And you can tell that I like and care about my eyelashes. I picked up another one of their eyelash serums, but it comes with an applicator. It doesn't really fit into the top of the bottle, so you have to remove the top. Or what I do is I just use a different applicator that fits into the little tiny hole better. From another brand. But yeah, so far I've liked this. I use it on my brows too, and it seems to be making a little bit of a difference in my hair there too. So okay, with the decor type stuff, I found this little gold hello sign. It's a little flimsy, but it's metal and could be very cute to add to something else. A wreath sign to decorate more. You can paint it easily. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but I just really liked it. I don't know if these are truly new, but they're new to me, and they had multiple colors, but they're just these little glass votives, I guess, for like a candle, but they have this cool geometric texture to them where they kind of cave in and come out, and it's very kind of unique shape. And so they were multiple colors. I really liked this kind of amber glass orangey tone, and then this kind of olive green color. So we'll see. They could be really cute as little vases for they could be really cute for like vases for your flowers, many things, but they were with the candle, yeah. But you can use them for other things as well. So we picked up a couple of these little flamingos in like the trinkety section in the front. It says it's for indoor use only, and it just has like a light at the base. So the whole like neck and head doesn't light up that much, but it does, you know, light up and have an effect. I thought it was just the flamingo, and then my son flipped on the light, and I thought, okay, that's kind of cute. And they love animals and things, so this is kind of just fun little extra impulse buy. I've had good luck with their spray bottles, so I picked one up. I liked the shimmery metallic pink base to this one. I thought was cute. The quality in the top, like, it doesn't look amazing, but it does the job. These are handy as a gardener and a plant person, and also watering down my kids' hair, laundry, all sorts of, you know, cleaning supplies. There's tons of things you can use it for. So I like using these like wet brushes sometimes to comb like the conditioner through my hair or detangle a little bit in the shower so that I don't have to brush my like curly type hair after I get out, because then it, you know, messes up the curls and makes it more frizzy. I have one just like this that has the hook that I have in the shower that just hangs, and I needed another one to keep in the other bathroom, I think. I saw these at the Dollar Tree and I thought, okay, it's the same thing. I might as well save money here and just get it at the Dollar Tree. But it's cute. I think the color's a little different, but it's pretty much the same exact thing. Also with my kids, my daughter detangling her hair is a challenge, and so sometimes a wide tooth comb brush like this is gonna do the job better. I picked up these cool over-the-door hooks. I like that it's not a big bulky or easily breakable organizing item. It's small and metal, and it has a bunch of different hooks on it, so you can hang bags on it. So I thought these might be useful, so I thought I would try them out and use them. They come in white too, so we'll see how that goes. So I think that was all the little things I wanted to show you that I got recently at the Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoyed watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Would love it if you would subscribe so we have more opportunities to see each other. Have a great day.